And I really feel like family in this space. So I'm not going to be very formal about this. I just want to say that I do appreciate and admire all of Cristina Desena's projects. I have been a witness to many of these projects, and many of these projects have been worthy of coverage, and many of these stories have actually come out on my ABS-CBN Channel 2 program, Rated K. And we always knock on Cristina's doors because for some reason she rates. So tumataas ang rating ng programa pagka yung mga kwento niya ang lumalabas, because I think Cristina's life story is one of those stories that really always make it in the ratings, no? In Rated K. A lot of people I discover are always wanting to look at personal heroes and stories of success, rags to riches, nothing to everything. And I think Cristina is a fine example of somebody who worked her way up from almost nothing and nowhere. She was an A student. Alam ko na life story mo, so ikukwento ko na lang. She came from poverty, and she herself will not really be embarrassed about that. I'm not sure if it's really poverty. Hindi naman, hindi ba? Pinag-aral ka naman, oo. Sabihin, it's a typical middle-class family who has difficulty making ends meet. Lahat naman tayo in some way or another ganyan, ano? And because of sheer diligence and her own inherent intelligence, at dahil sa kanyang kasipagan, ano siya, no? She rose from down there to up there at a very young age. You know, she's only 29.
Yeah.
30 na siya. Okay. So she and along the way, she never forgot to help other people. And I'm a firm believer of people receiving 100-fold whenever they help other people, especially in times of need. And in my own personal businesses and in my own personal needs, because I also help other people. Sometimes it's never enough, so I go to Cristina and she's always there to help. Now, I'm also a firm believer of professionalism, so that even as friends, Cristina and I, our help each other arrangement is always on a professional basis. Because you also have to know, kailangan malaman ninyo na kahit siya isang napakamatalungin na tao, lahat ng kanyang transaksyon ay nasa ayos. So everything is always above board, and she herself is very conscious of the regulations of law and of the requirements of government. And so to me, today, it is no wonder that the Rural Bank of Norsagaray, in the face of many problems of other banks, has stayed on top of their game. And sa pagkakaalam ko, dahil may transaction din po ako sa Rural Bank of Norsagaray, maayos ang lahat ng kanyang relasyon sa Central Bank of the Philippines. And especially now, because I'm only one half of a whole, so I have to be very careful of what my other half will be telling me. All the more, we are always careful about things like that. Kaya kay Cristina, wala naman akong problema, and I foresee a very long relationship in business, as it is even longer as a friend. So Cristina, thank you very much for everything that you have given us. Everybody in this room has something good to say about you. Napakarami mong taong tinulungan. Patuloy ka pa rin tumutulong. Isang katok mo lang sa kanya, kakayanin niya para sa'yo. And I'm sure napakalayo pa ng maaabot ng Rural Bank of Norsagaray. And Cristina Desena Group of Companies sa bang tawag dyan? Ayan, okay. So a round of applause for Miss Cristina Desena.